DogWifHat token is pumping. Are we going to see DogWifHat token hit $10 by the end of this year? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about crypto, ticker symbol WIF, DogWifHat, which is currently a top 17 traded cryptocurrency and ranked number 33 on CoinMarketCap with a staggering $2.6 billion market cap. It is currently up nearly 28% on the week, trading at $2.66. And the question comes, will this token hit $10 this bull run? That's exactly what we're talking about. But before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And none of this information in this video is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any of the money in these cryptos we talk about in this channel, as I am not a financial advisor. Overall, crypto market starting to look bullish again. Fear and index currently at a 60. Greed, so we finally creep back in greed after months of being in neutral and also entering fear earlier a couple weeks. We see spot ETF trading is officially live, so we anticipate Ethereum pump coming very soon. Bitcoin price predictions, signal warnings. There's bullish and bearish news in the market, but overall bullish news. 1% up in terms of volume, down 2% of the day. Bitcoin sitting at $65,000. Ethereum at dancing with $64,000. Hopefully gonna hit $4,000 very soon. But today we're talking about meme coins, specifically dog the meme coins, as DogWifHat is the title of this video. Currently trading at $2.66, up almost 3% on the hour, up 20% on the week. What's going on with HAT, and what do you know before loading up on some WIF? As you can see, WIF is getting a lot of good coverage and news. This article by Coin Media specifically, DogWifHat price predictions for 2024 to 2030. Will WIF price jump to $10 this year? As investors are getting bullish, we have a DogWifHat price prediction reveals a maximum of $10 by the end of 2024. As these surges are continuing, you may want to load up. Talking about loading up, you may want to load up in this pre-sale opportunity that we've been covering on this channel, and that is Play Doge. Guys, this is a pre-sale token of a meme coin that also has a play to earn aspect and staking. Meet Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure play tokens and pre-sale to earn while playing a nostalgic 2D adventure game. They've already raised $5.8 million, and again, this could be launching very soon. So if you want to load up at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to strike. As in 2 days and 3 hours, they're having the next price hike, so you want to get it at the absolute lowest price. Now is your time to buy. You can buy ETH, USDT, your card, or even BNB. Very simple. Been featured in a ton of different reputable places. Has a solid roadmap in place and great tokenomics. And like I was talking about in the video, staking. So if you want to stake your play to earn even more, you can earn up to 82% in rewards. So you may want to load up. Link in the description below. But back to DogWifHat token, guys. As the meme coin market is pumping, we're anticipating to see some very bullish things with meme coins, and that's also including DogWifHat. We can already see that this week alone we're up a whopping 20%, which is some solid gains that again we're not necessarily seeing across the board. We see in this top 10 category, WIF is the only one with a 20% gain. We see Cat and Dogs World is up 85% as well. But other than those two outliers, in the top 25 tokens at least, these are the strongest positions. Not only strongest, but WIF is top 4, potentially in the race to flip Pepe coin, which we'll be talking about Pepe in later today's video. So make sure you subscribe to watch that video. It could be a very good chance that this coin continues to rally. We go over to their official Twitter account, guys, to see some more news. Almost 100,000 followers. And then WIF Go Hard. This is posted by Lil Pump, a famous rapper with almost 1 million followers, with a Lil Pump braid up. That's how his hair looks on the DogWifHat logo, with a US flag in the back and the Bitcoin laser eyes, kind of like the Donald Trump and Elon Musk pictures. So almost 58,000 views from this tweet already. I anticipate it's going to pump. Dog money equals real money, just posting some memes, replying to Elon Musk on a thread, feeling bullish. Why WIF is the new Doge, a whole thread. So first, the inception, so the creation of it was in 2018. A star was born. We can see the price discovery as people were talking about it. The soul of the meme coin super cycle at January 10, 2024. After months of waiting, the Bitcoin ETF was finally approved. While the world started to realize this wasn't an epic pump, but but the beginning of a whole new cycle. An admin's world. WIF is leveraging trade on Sol. We can see GCR NFTs purchase. WIF is the TradeFi world, WIF as a leader. The whole point is Elon Musk and WIF, the whole journey with that as well. Just a month ago, Elon Musk commented on live stream that he had heard of the Solana meme coin DogWifHat. From this small clip, we were able to obtain two conclusions. He knows the meme, he likes the meme, very big, and the Doge rotation. So again, a bunch of bullish reasons on why someone would want to load up on DogWifHat. And we go ahead and take a look at technical reports. We can see moving averages are in strong buy, oscillators are neutral. Give us a total summary of buy. Overall, people are looking very bullish on DogWifHat. Men lie, women lie, but numbers don't. And the charts are looking bullish, which is our main indicator that people are buying and loading up on this dip. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you feel about DogWifHat in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.